What's this shape? Tell me, everyone. What are we looking at? A cone. Now, what do you do if you have to work backwards? So in a case like this, I'm going to give you the volume. In this case, it's 1,408 cubic feet. Okay? And I also, I tell you that the height on this is 15 feet. Okay, the question for you is, what is the radius? How do you find R? First step, what would you do if you had to work backwards to find the volume on that? What would you do? Ideas? Yeah. What is the volume of a cone? That's the first thing.
1/3 pi r squared.
Very good. So the volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. Now again, you could utilize that idea that area of the base is that big B. This really is the area of the base, which is a circle, right? But we said that if you could memorize that as well, the volume of any cone is 1/3 times the volume of a cylinder. So which is pi r squared h. So with that in mind, 1/3 pi, and the radius is what we're going to try to find. Our height is how much? 15. Okay, good. Now they told us the total volume. So what do we do with the 1408? What would you do?
Divided by pi?
Yeah, but don't we have to set it equal to this expression first
Oh, yeah.
to find the radius? So we set it equal to 1408. Now this is where students sometimes have trouble is going backwards. So I want to make sure that you're ready for this tomorrow. Okay? Jordan, you in good shape on this? Jordan, by the way, nice haircut. You can tell. You guys make these subtle changes after I see every day. There you go. So here you have it. You're trying to find that radius. This is how I do it. I take 1/3 of 15, which is 5, times pi. So if it's me, I would take 5 times 3.14, and I write it down as 15.7. And still that r squared is there, and it still equals 1408. Now, to go ahead and solve for the radius, what would you do next? Bridget, what would you do?
Divide 1408 divide by 15.7.
Very good. So that's the idea. You're trying to isolate that variable. So let's see what we have. We're looking at r squared, everybody, equals 89.68. If I only take it out 2 places. Final step. How do we find the radius? Square root. Perfect, Caroline. So you're going to go ahead. If you take the square root of this number on the right, final answer for the radius is how much? Yeah, very good, people. 9.47. So that's another type of question. And, you know, in terms of the units, very important, though, in this case, we had cubic feet for the volume. Answer would be in feet as well on this.